enough primer?
I don't know, hopefully.
Way to do it.
Don't need to prime it, do you?
Oh, ideally, yeah.
The inside, isn't it?
Hello! This is a certain Hinky's race car. We recently painted his boat and he, of course, wants the car to match. So we are now doing the shell for him. The inside and the exterior are going 2 different blues because he can't be normal and go one colour. But it should look pretty awesome once it's all done. So we're just finishing off some prep now, get some primer on in a bit and then hopefully get it painted tomorrow. I was waiting for you to be writing stuff in it then.
Like a poo now.
Oh no, did you get that on camera?
Yeah.
You went for a poo and stunk it out, so I had to wait for my poo.
I've got a cold, so I can't tell. I just know that the Domino's spicy pizza last night burnt.
Have fun, Reg. Enjoy. I've got my paint mask in there. New fillers.
Good.
Might come in handy. Minging.
And sprocket coming for protection.
Okay, Sprocket will soon run.
And I just need to lie down.
She obviously didn't have spicy pizza last night.
No, I had KFC though.
Oh.
Was it from the UK's worst KFC? Nice.
It wasn't too bad, it just gave me a bit of a bellyache after.
Yeah.
I didn't have the shit.
That's not bad then. Yeah, do that. When are they picking it up? Today?
Yeah.
So today?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll go ahead and do it.
Well, if you do it, we'll crack on, get everything else done. If you want to go early, whatever. Kelly's coming in this afternoon, so she could.
I'll pick them up on the way through.
Pick it up. I could stick them on. You could go outside.
You got a torch?
Huh?
You got a torch?
Not in here. No.
Oh, I've got my phone.
Yeah. Not good. Again, I seem to be just constantly tired. So I do stupid amounts of fucking hours. I presume.
The colour's wicked though, like there's blue
Looking
and...
forward to getting out in the sunlight this afternoon.
Yeah.
Quickly whiz this out, and then I've got to quickly wax on all that one that's out there.
Yeah.
So that can go out and dry. Then we can get this out. Then I've got to go to Plymouth and fit some wheel arches to a Discovery this afternoon as well.
Oh, so not much.
And then this is being fitted, and then go and the bits I'm picking up from Plymouth, I can go and fit the wheel to that Triumph, so that's done and gone.
And then go for a pint in the sun.
It'll probably be dark by the time that happens.
Okay. Well,
Absolute pig to mask up.
I bet.
Just crawling in and out, masking up from the inside.
This is nice black.
That wasn't too bad. I literally masked that down,
Yeah.
and then this morning masked up a little bit and just sprayed it black with an aerosol.
Yeah, nice. Yeah. Yeah, like you say, it's gonna get trapped.
Yeah, it's not going to last 5 minutes, but it'll look nice for the journey there, won't it?
Yeah, put it on the trailer. And it's good for our viewers.
Yeah.
It's good for our viewers because they get to watch an empty car being painted.
Yeah.
It's totally bargain.
I've still got to paint some bits up there in black just to finish it off, but I can do that this afternoon. Yeah, it'll be right.
So I've just finished the stickers. I've got the Venom logo on the front. I've got Ron's name here. Then we've got the white background with the 666 on the side. They've got to be the right size, so we've done that. We've got those on both sides. So now I've finished my bit and Kelly's finished her bit. It's going to go outside in the sun, and we're going to check out the colour and drop that. We've got a couple of these to put on, which.
Can I just point out, it's nice to see Mike actually get involved and do some work. And he's here to do it.
Wow.
Why didn't the roof scoop get painted?
So that's going black,
Oh,
along with the bumper.
oh, fair enough. That's a fair enough excuse. I thought it was going to be laser.
Lazy.
Yeah.
What time of day was we here till last night? Lazy.
You stand around all day doing nothing, so you've got to stay like working.
Have you noticed how we put it on the little trestles so they're a little bit lower down, just so that you could reach?
I've edited this picture
Good for you.
because this one is joined.
It is joy.
So I've edited this one so it's not joined because there's
Well
one
done.
eye joined and one eye not.
You're
So I just need to edit this
so
one.
proud of you for doing that.
Proud of you.
Yeah.
I don't know whether we were going to put those on because it might be the official 3D one might go there. So I'm not sure about those yet. Yeah, window stickers, if it had a window.
Yeah. Oh, need to.
Obviously this is a special build, we've done the boat for him, but he is a local celebrity. Captain Hinky.
I just need to unblock these washer jets.
Oh yeah, for MOT.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Right, I'm just gonna.
Have you done it yet?